Yo, what's up, everybody? It's me, back with another. It's Amia, back with another video. We actually have an earthquake. Can you not, please? We actually have an earthquake coming towards us, and we're trying to pack all of our stuff. Like, I have clothes to pack. She's packing hers. She. My cousin's packing her stuff. I'm packing my stuff. Yeah, and and I'm just trying to put all my things that I need into my bag and just shove it all in there and be safe and try not to die. Anyways, yeah, so I'm just bringing out my backpack right now. Hold on, let me just sit you down right there. So I have my shoes. I'm putting my shoes on. Putting my shoes on. And as I'm putting my shoes on, I have to tell you something. This video, never mind. So we have the dogs. Jordan, can you hold my water?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Huh.
Come on. So we have to take the dogs.
Yeah.
And Foxy can just stay with
Who's that?
I don't know. Doesn't matter. You just leave it there. So I have my dog. So we're leaving. I just have to get one thing that I dropped. Oops. I just have to get one thing that I dropped on the floor earlier. Not on camera. Okay.
Okay.
Where is it? Oh, God. You guys see it anywhere?
No. You're outside.
I don't see it. I need to find it. Well, it's fine. I don't need it right now. It's not like something I absolutely need. Okay, so we're leaving.
Ma, should I toast it?
Over here. Okay, found a safe place. Hold on. Found a safe. Good. So we found a safe place, and we're gonna stay in here for a little bit, but we can't turn the lights on yet. So,
Why?
because there's also some bad people that are trying to, like, stuff. Okay, can you come over here with the dog? Go around off the bed.
Do you want me?
Yeah, can you move her? Because I also have to push this over a little bit so we have space. Oh, okay. Okay, so, yeah, we are in our hideout.
Oh.
Come on. Okay, sit down. Okay. Sit down. Sit. Okay. So we're in our little place. Where's your water? You might want to go get your water. So she's getting her water and something in my eye. Okay. Okay, and I'll take that and I'll put it right here by my water. Oh, jeez. Sorry. Put it right here. So, sorry guys, this is really bad lighting. It is really dark, and we don't have that much light right now. Oh yeah, you might want to put your phone down here so nobody gets it. Like, you can scooch over a little bit. Okay, so we're in here, and it's really dark. It's not that, oh wow, okay. There we go. It's not that nice. It's just a little. We're just behind a bed, as you can see, and there's stuff up there. I don't know. And I have my baby girl right here. My baby. Oh, that is close. My baby girl right here. So yeah, and I'm really comfortable, and not really, but yeah. So we will see you when we get out. Someone's coming. Get down. Get down.
Who is this? Is anybody in here?
Shh, don't say anything.
No.
Hey, who's that? I wonder who that was. Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Okay, we're good. Get up. But we have to be very quiet. Oh, it's okay, baby. My dog's shaking. It's okay. Okay, so we're just gonna go to sleep because it's like 8 or like 7. I don't know. Let me check. Yeah, it's really late. Okay, so it's 10. So just lay down back there. And so.
No.